I'm here with Mark Tennant, Commercial Director of INEOS Automotive. And Mark, it's been a busy few months, but you must be pretty excited by the feedback.
Yeah, it really has. It's been so exciting. We're getting closer and closer to putting keys in the hands of customers, which is going to be a great moment.
You're about to literally hit the market.
Yeah, literally. So just a couple of weeks ago, we put out all the specifications, all the prices for the launch markets. Not for everywhere, because we're starting in predominantly in Europe. North America, for example, will be launching in 2023. So a bit of a longer wait for colleagues over the pond, as it were.
And are we ready on production?
Well, that's all going well. The factory in Hambach's getting used to building prototypes and has been doing so, as you know, for some months.
Yep.
And we're now moving into the launch series phase very shortly. So we'll be having saleable cars rolling down the line in July.
And when do you think people will just get to that bit they really want, which is to sit and drive away in a Grenadier?
Well, we're doing a lot of that with the prototypes now. I think a big part of our summer exercise is getting people who've been interested, have put reservations down, giving them an opportunity to test drive. But in terms of giving people the keys and saying off you go, that will happen at the end of July.
Excellent. Mark, thank you very much.
My pleasure.